Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 CLA 250 4MATIC. This one's a Cirrus White. Underneath there's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 208 horsepower and 254 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 18-inch alloys. Black MB Tex interior. Rear spoiler. CLA 250 4MATIC badging. Clean set of floor mats. Coming alongside. Blind spot assist, premium 1 package, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats. Steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance. Convenience package with auto dimming mirrors and garage door openers. Let's go ahead and start it up. And that's showing wood trim, navigation, multimedia package with voice command, rear view backup camera, hard keys for our media display, heated seats, dual climate control, cup holders. This CLA has 23,890 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the CLA 250 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.